What's going on, everybody? Bones here. I got that maple bacon fever, and you're watching Cajun RNEWBBQ. What's going on, everybody? So today, we're gonna do up some smoked wings. We're gonna glaze it up with some maple bacon glaze. It's gonna have some of that sucklebusters clucker dust, and we're gonna hit it up with some of that Kosmos sweet honey pecan. It's gonna have awesome flavor. Hope you stick around. We're gonna get right to it. All right, first off, we're gonna go ahead and put it up with that Kosmos sweet honey pecan. Got a nice sweet flavor to it with a little bit of that pecan nutty flavor. Go ahead and hit up that other side real quick. Now we're going to go ahead and hit up with that clucker dust. Got a nice hit of brown sugar, chili powder, chipotle powder. Love using this seasoning. We're going to go ahead and let this sit here and marinate while the grill is coming up to temp. While the chicken's smoking away, we're going to go ahead and cook up that bacon. Go ahead and throw it on some that Kosmos sweet honey pecan. Bacon's now done. Go ahead and pull these off. We're going to go ahead and chop up our bacon. Want little bitty bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to go ahead and make up our maple bacon glaze sauce. First up, half a stick of butter, melted. Go ahead and put your bacon in. Thank you, 18-wheeler. Now we're going to go ahead and put up our maple syrup. This is Dr. Bill's maple syrup, made right here in Louisiana. A couple tablespoons worth. There we go. We're going to go ahead and take this over to our chicken wings, toss them in it, put them back on the smoker. Oh yeah, we looking real good. Nice sheen to them. Got that bacon crumbles all over the place. Hope they taste as good as they look. All right, here we go. Definite maple flavor. Just really present. Got a burst of heat from the sucklebusters clucker dust. Then you got a nice little subtle tone with the pecan rub from Cosmos Q. Then the nice little bits of bacon right on top. Oh, so good. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.